Hey guys, Chris here with Smile Mile Painting. More than you would think, when repainting a house, the homeowner would like to keep the existing colors. So that's what we're going to do here today. We're going to go color match a house. Here at Smile Mile Painting, we have the resources like this tool that will pull the color off of this home and match it to an existing color inside the Sherwin-Williams fan deck. So we just got done color matching our customer's house. We came up with peppercorn gray for the body, snowbound white for the trim, and salute red for the front door. Now we're going to go order the paint and we're going to get this project done.